a rich chocolate cake recipe that makes a delicious, decadent, moist, deeply chocolatey cake ever. Here's my epic, sinless, moist chocolate cake recipe. Started by greasing the pan with butter and dash it with flour. Sifting the flour and then the cocoa powder and baking powder. Helps to make the best cake ever. Adding the castor sugar. And the vegetable oil. And hot water. Then whisk vigorously to avoid any lumps. Get that shiny, glossy mixture. In a prepared pan, pour equal amount of mixture and set on 180 degrees temperature oven over 20 to 25 minutes prior to toothpick or bamboo pick procedure. Look at this beautiful, super fluffy and jiggly moist cake. For coating, pour this glossy, bittersweet chocolate ganache. It's a perfect combination of my epic chocolate moist cake with a glossy, bittersweet chocolate ganache. Will complete your day. Here's for complete recipe. Please don't forget to click the description below. A slice of an epic chocolate moist cake is a sinless to complete your day, the best day ever. Thank you for watching, everyone. This is Bold Cook TV signing off and saying bye bye.